So what happens with Camtasia for Mac, or generally on a Mac, I find is that the video files tend to be a little bit larger than they are on a PC, and therefore there's a need to reduce the file size. This is important because if 20 students need to be streaming a video, whether it's off of YouTube or whatever, and that video is 5 megabytes, then that's much better than having the same number of students try to stream the same video, which is actually 40 megabytes. So if you can reduce the file size without disturbing the quality too much, then it's a good idea. This is how we can do it. Now, Handbrake is a free piece of software that is available for Mac and PC. This is the Mac demonstration. So what I'm going to do here is import this particular video because it's 27.8 megabytes, and I reckon we can get that down to 5 or 6 without any noticeable drop in quality. And this is how we do it very simply. Go to source, navigate to that file. Here it is, so open. Make sure it's web optimized. In recent months they've changed this setup a bit. Look, you can play with this. With this version, I'm just leaving this I'm just leaving all the settings pretty much at default because it works really well. If you're using this on a PC version, you need to muck around with this a little bit. The H.264 codec, that's the MP4 video output. I'm not terribly technical, but that one seems to work really well. The only thing we need to do now is to browse for our destination folder, and what I'm going to drop this video into this folder, so as I know I don't want to overwrite it just yet because I will need to test it. So I'm going to drop it in here. So we go save. So that's set up the file to compress and the destination folder. So if we click start, it starts doing its thing. The PC version looks a little bit different to this, but it's the same principle. Put down your cocktail. I don't know where they get that idea from. Anyway, click OK, and you'll find now here's the original file at 27.8 megabytes. Here's the new one, which is 6.8. If I press my spacebar on a Mac, that's going to come up in a preview window, and I can just maximize that and just check that the quality is good enough, which it is. And if I did the same thing with the original file, I wouldn't actually be able to tell the difference. So I think that's pretty cool. And that's it. So now, here's my original file. I just delete that, and I replace it with the new one, which is only 6.8 megs. Now this is the flash output mechanism. I'll just demonstrate this. I don't think you need this as a teacher because I think it's just better just to get your MP4 file and put it straight up to YouTube. But I've actually chosen the web option here. Now if I double click this index file, it's going to open in a browser. Here it is, and away it goes. That's how that works. So that is reducing file sizes with Handbrake. Handbrake will also convert some files to MP4. MP4 seems to be the best video format to use because the file sizes tend to be smaller with no loss in quality. So there you have it. There's some Handbrake basics. Thanks for watching.